Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Tahir Javed, SS Pakistan Studies in DPS in Inter-College Sahiwal. I welcome you in online classes at DPS and Inter-College Sahiwal. Let's start our today's lesson.
Today our topic is distribution of major crops of Pakistan, and second is explanation about the features of rice crop. Learning objectives. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to explain about the major crops of Pakistan and features of rice crop. Pakistan is blessed with 4 seasons: winter, summer, autumn, spring, fertile land and rivers. Pakistan is an agriculture country. Due to favorable condition and climate, Pakistan has the ability to grow different seasonal crops and fruits. On the basis of season, crops are divided into two categories. First one is Rabi crops and second is Kharif crops. Rabi crops. Rabi crops are sown in winter, especially in the month of October and November, and harvested in the summer, especially in May. Examples of Rabi crops which are grown in Pakistan are wheat, barley, gram, etc. The second category is Kharif crops. The crops which are grown in the summer season. Summer season crops are called the Kharif crops. Kharif crops are sown in summer, especially in the month of April and May, and harvested in the winter, especially in the month of November and December. Examples of Kharif crops are cotton, rice and maize, etc. There are another two categories of crops in Pakistan. First one is called cash crops and second one is called the food crops. The crops which are grown for the purpose to make profit are called cash crops. Examples of cash crops are cotton, tobacco, rice, etc. The second category is food crops. The crops which are grown to fulfill the food need of growing population of the country are called the food crops. Examples of food crops are wheat, rice, maize, pulses, etc. Important fruits of Pakistan. Pakistan is also famous for the production of seasonal fruits. Both season, summer season and winter season, Pakistan produces different varieties of fruits in these two seasons. Summer season fruits are mangoes, dates, apricot, grapes, peach, and etc. And in winter season, Pakistan produces different varieties of citrus fruits. So Pakistan is also famous in the export of fruit to other countries. Rice crop. Rice is a such type of crop which belongs to the category of kharif crops. What kind of environment is required for the production of rice crop? Hot humid climate, abundant rain, and rich soft soil is best suited for this crop. Not only hot climate is necessary at the time of sowing, but water should remain standing in its fields. Extra flooding and abundant rain is favorable for rice crop. Famous areas of rice cultivation in Pakistan. Famous areas for the production of rice in Pakistan are Gujranwala, Gujarat, Kamoki, and Narowal. These cities are located in Upper Punjab and received heavy rainfall in rainy season. So these areas are suitable for rice cultivation. Pakistan is producing export quality rice. Pakistan produces different varieties of rice. Most famous varieties of rice is Kainat and Super Kernel. Pakistani rice is exported to different countries of the world. For example, Britain, America, UAE, Iraq, Iran, Saudi Arabia, and Sri Lanka, etc. Assessment and recapitulation. When Rabi crops are sown. Rabi crops belong to winter season crops. So Rabi crops are sown in winter season, especially in November and December. When Kharif crops are harvested. Kharif crops belongs to summer season crops. These crops are sown in summer and harvested in the winter, especially in November. Give examples of Rabi and Kharif crops. Rabi crops are wheat, oil seeds, barley, gram, etc. And Kharif crops are cotton, rice, maize, etc. Why cash and food crops are cultivated? Cash crops are cultivated for selling purpose to earn profit, and food crops are grown to fulfill the food need of country. What kind of environment is suitable for rice cultivation? Hot humid climate, abundant rain and rich soft soil is best suited for this crop. Home assignment: make the difference between Rabi crops and Kharif crops with examples on a paper or on a white chart. I hope you will enjoy this lesson. Allah Hafiz.